In this 21st century, all of you can agree with me that video editing is one of the top skills that anybody at all can have, whether you're a business owner or you are just looking for a side hustle like where you can earn some money online. Video editing should be one of the best skill that you'll be looking out for. Now, Facebook monetization is currently about to get to Nigeria, and trust me guys, you don't want to sleep over this opportunity. Like guys, for the past few years, you cannot overemphasize on the number of millionaires and multimillionaires that video creation has raised within Nigeria alone. Just think about people like Sabinus, Brain Jota, Funny Bros, The General, and the rest of them that are just uncountable. And what they basically do is to create videos, edit and post. They don't do any other thing. And you see them building houses, doing a whole lot of things, buying new cars. Some people will be wondering whether they are doing something secretly that they don't know. It's video editing, it's video creation. Like, we cannot just overemphasize on this. So what you may like to do actually is just to pay close attention and learn this skill by yourself, and then it's going to actually transform your life for good. Hello everyone, welcome to this video editing premium course. My name is Steven and I will be taking you guys on video editing from beginners to intermediate to expert. So what I implore all of you to do for me is to pay close attention so that you won't have any issue. And then I also promise to be detailed and straightforward without including unnecessary things to make the videos too long. So now, starting your video editing, what you basically need is that of the softwares and a phone with camera. And of course, if you are watching this video, I already know that you have a phone that is having camera. That is why you are accessing this course, and then you are watching this video. So what you basically need to do now is to go and download one of the simple, or should I say the simplest video editing software, which is known as the CapCut. So you just head over. If you're using Android, you just go to Play Store or App Store, and then if you're using iPhone like me, then you just go to App Store or Apple Store. So I'm going to type on Apple Store here, and then this is it. And then you just allow it to load like this, and then you come over to search. Come over to search button, and then you type CapCut. So you search, and this is my CapCut here. So because I already have it within my phone and I don't want to waste too much time here, I'm just going to click on open. If you don't have it, you just click on download, and then it will download in your phone, and then you click on open. If you cannot download on your phone, then you may consider deleting some of the apps that you have within your phone. Just delete some few apps to make a little space, and then you'll be able to do that. Now, in this tutorial here, I'll be showing you guys how to add video on your timeline, or should I say loading your timeline to start your project. So if you are downloading CapCut, initially you're going to have an interface that looks like this or something similar to this. So whatever you have, sometimes they may be asking you to sign up with your email. You don't really need to sign up, but if you want to sign up, you can just do. And this is absolutely free. So but me, I don't sign up. This I've been using my own. And then I will just go ahead and click on new project. So under new project, you can see some of the recent videos I recorded here. And then I will just add any of them to my timeline. So I just select the video like this, and then it's displaying here for me to see what the video is actually look like.
Hello everyone, this is
and then this is it. So I'm just going to tap on add, and then I will allow it to load up and add to the CapCut. Okay, and this is the video here. Now, the first thing you may want to do is to trim the video. Trimming the video means you want to cut out that particular part that you don't want. Let's say you are your cameraman by yourself. You don't have anyone to be recording those videos for you so that they can start them exactly when you want to roll the camera, and then they say action, and then you start. you don't have anybody to do all those ones for you. So you are the same person coming to turn on the camera and then go back to sit or go back to stand and start recording the video. So one of the first thing you need to do is to cut out that particular part or trim out that particular part that you were getting set or getting ready. So you just scroll. You can see I'm just hovering. I just press my hand over the video on the timeline down here, and then I'm rolling it. I'm rolling it. I'm rolling it till you get to the place where I start talking. Okay, so let's say this is here. So now I allow this center arrow, which is the divider, to be exactly where I want to cut the video. So I will now tap on the video once and then I will click on split. And then I will now step back to the left side and then I will tap on that particular part that I don't want, which is the unwanted part of the video where I started recording, and then I'll click delete. And then that one will go away. Now, if you notice something.
Hello everyone, this is Steven from Team Import Export.
If you notice something, there is still some arrangement here where I was getting set. So I will still take it back, 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 back. I think this is okay. So that it will just start with my hand clap. And then I will tap on the video again and then I will click on split. So the dragging, you just press your hand on the video and then you drag left and right to take it wherever you want. So ensure that you put that particular part you want to cut out is placed directly on the divider, so that once you tap on split, the divider will just cut the video there. And then I'll click delete as well.
Hello everyone, this is Steven from
So you can see the way it's starting very nice with a hand clap.
Hello.
Just bam.
Hello everyone, this is Steven from
Very
Team
nice.
Import Export Limited. I'm recording this video to be a kind of tutorial for landing cost calculation by C. I can remember some
So you
time
can
back
see
I
that.
did.
And then I'll also take it down to the outro, like where I finished talking, and then this is where I finished talking basically, because my audience don't need to see what I did after recording the video. So I will still tap on it again and then click split, and then I will click my hand on the remaining part and tap on delete. As simple as that. So that is basically how to set up your video editing timeline on CapCut. So if you want to add more clips, let's say you recorded the videos in different clips, you are going to click the plus button here and then you add more of the clips. Oh my god, this video is getting long. So in the next tutorials, I'll be showing you more of the CapCut and how you're going to navigate as a beginner to mastering video editing with CapCut. So if you have questions, you're going to ask on the comment section. I will take time to check them out and reply, and if there's any need for me to update, to record new tutorials, I will still do that.